Okay, I thought I would just look at a few of the homework problems, give you some hints, maybe work some of them all the way out. And I'm going to grade 5 at random. Maybe some of the ones I help, maybe not. So do all the problems. But let's just look at a few of them. So number 3 is one of those where they give us the x-intercept and the y-intercept. That will be 2 points. The x-intercept tells us where it crosses the x-axis. Says that's at 2. So on the x-axis we go to 2, and we know that point has to be on our line. The y-intercept is negative 2. So on the y-axis go to negative 2. That has to be on our line. We connect those points with a line. Okay, so there. If I did that correctly, and I think I did, that's one of them. Let's see, number 6 is one of those interesting ones. Just y equals 1. X is not even in that. But y is 1. Well, we can find y on the, we can find 1 on the y-axis. It's right here. And the equation says that y is always 1 no matter what x is. So as you move along in the horizontal direction, you just think about it. No matter what x is, y is always 1. It seems like it would always be kind of along there, I think. So, interesting. So I'll let you do that one. Number 5 is one that has a slope and an intercept. That's in slope-intercept form, right? Y equals mx plus b. So our intercept is 3. That gives us 1 point. We only need one more point, and the slope helps us get that. We know the slope is negative 5 over 3, and so the rise over run can be written. And the slope is a negative number, meaning one or the other. Either the numerator or the denominator has to be negative, and the other one has to be positive. We can choose either one as negative. But it looks like it would be smart to pick the numerator's negative, because that's the rise, and if we made it positive, we would run out of room on the graph. So let's make the numerator negative, and let's make the denominator positive. So the rise is negative 5. So we go down 5, 3, 4, 5, and then the run is positive 3. So in the positive direction, that's to the right, 3. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 3. And that gives us our 2 points, and we'll go ahead and connect them. I think that's about enough. Notice there is one here, number 7. You have to remember, what is b in that case? We have y equals negative 1/3 x. Looks like we've got y equals mx, but then no b. Well, of course you can have a b of 0. Okay, and then you have one with the whole number. Number 12, the slope is a whole number, which you remember in the video it said, well, you can write a whole number as a fraction. So 6 can be written as 6 over 1. This is negative 6, so the negative would go with one of those. Okay, so that's a few hints, a little bit of help in case you got stuck on some of those.